I know you've been waiting up until now to find something special. I'm Thomas Skelly from Forsyth Real Estate, and I've found it. I can see from the fact that you've watched this long that I know you love it. So why don't you come along to the next open home inspection and let me help you buy this home.